Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloom Gel. First, understand that Bloom Gel is a special product designed to create stunning, organic patterns on your nails. It works by reacting with a wet layer of gel polish, causing colors to spread and blend in beautiful ways. We'll cover everything from preparation to the final top coat, ensuring your designs are perfect. Before diving into the Bloom Gel magic, proper nail preparation is key. Begin with nails that are clean, shaped, and have a fully cured base coat. Next, apply your chosen gel polish color. This will be the background for your bloom design. Make sure to cure this color layer completely under your lamp, ensuring it's dry and ready for the next step. Now for the exciting part, applying the Bloom Gel. Apply a thin, even layer of the Bloom Gel directly over your cured base color. It's crucial not to cure this layer. It needs to remain wet for the effect to work. Immediately, use a dotting tool or a fine brush to place small drops of a contrasting gel color onto the wet Bloom Gel. Watch the magic happen. Once you've placed your design, allow the Bloom Gel a few seconds to spread and create its unique patterns. When you're happy with the design, cure the entire nail thoroughly under your UV or LED lamp according to your product's instructions. Finish with a top coat for shine and durability. Remember to check the description for links to products and other great deals, including Little Tree's black ice for your car.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.